Hi there, I hope you're doing really good. In this video, we are going to be discussing something really interesting and important, which is, are there any risks or liabilities that an independent director has to face? This is a question we get asked very often. What if something goes wrong in the company? Will I be held responsible? Let me address this directly because this fear stops a lot of professionals from exploring this opportunity. So here's the reality. As an independent director, you're not in the same position as the company's promoters or other directors. You do not run the day to day operations. You're not expected to know everything that's happening in the company like an insider would. So, what are independent directors responsible for? The SEBI is very lenient with independent directors because it understands the importance of having independence in the company's board. So, you, as an independent director, are only liable for acts which are done with your consent, knowledge, or it happened because you weren't diligent enough. In simple terms, if you ask the right questions, act in good faith, and do your duty honestly, you're protected. In fact, in the history of times, you can never find an independent director that was arrested or held liable for something that they did not actively participate in. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs explicitly stated through a circular that independent directors cannot be held liable unless and until their complicity is proved with strong evidence, especially after the PMC case in 2020. SEBI has also supported a broader D&O insurance for independent directors' protection. So let this fear go. Instead, start building your personal brand and preparing yourself for the opportunities that's to come. I'll see you in the next one.